Okay, this video is going to show you really quickly how to fix your Kenmore Elite gas dryer. This is for model number HE5. Mine's a steam. The model number on this, mine in particular, if you can't see it, is 110.977.39701. There were a few sites online that talked about what the issue was, and they said that about 80% of the time the problem is with the thermal fuse. So the problem with excuse me, the videos I found online were that they showed that you had to take apart the back of the dryer, which for a lot of people this is just a pain in the butt to get to begin with, like mine. What I found was that all I had to do was take out these four bolts that held on the front little faceplate that looks like that one on my washer, and if you go up underneath the right hand side, there's just a little plastic cover here, and you have two fuses here. So it's not this first one, it's the second one. You can see that the leads fall off towards the back, and if you're looking at it at a different angle than I am, it almost looks like there's no wires coming off, but there are. All you do, what I did is I first unplugged the dryer. That's super important, of course. You take a 1/4 inch socket, and I used a 90-degree extender to get in there. I know that's a little bit fuzzy. And just carefully remove that. Try not to drop it because it is a little small little screw. And what I did is I just pulled these up. They just slip right on like normal electric connectors, and I'll show you in a minute what it looks like when they're not off. And I bought this fuse for about $5 on Amazon. I'll send the link in there as well. Again, what I read was that it was when these things stop making warm air, that it's 90% of the time is because of the fuse. So here's the fuse that I ended up buying. Looks like that. And what I also did is I cleaned the heck out of everything inside of here, namely where the gas creates the heat, because that little orifice right there, if it gets clogged up, it'll cause problems. And I also vacuumed and just used a blower to use a lot of pressure to get all the dust out of there, as much of the dust as I could. And I know it looks like this, but I think this is a pad. So that's what I did, and plugged it back in, and it's working good. So hopefully it works for you guys too.